Maruna continues to fight for Bonko, even though Bonko chose Owetu and fired Maruna out of Genesis. At least he got Owetu to drop the charges. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Genesis. Bonko sat down his temple sakhe Owetu no Maruna. Ebencoma nje going on about how he's grateful for Owetu for his support, being there for him, and being his peace. And then thanking Maruna for being the star of the show, anointing, and that she's amazing. No one is like her. But says that for Yena no Owetu to go forward, then he's gonna have to let him go. So now, saying that I'm gonna have to let you go, Owetu was scared, thinking that Owetu Bonko wants to choose Maruna. And Bonko wants to choose her. Bonko chose Owetu, saying that for them to go forward, he's gonna have to let go of Maruna because she's amazing, she's great. But the demands of wanting Bonko are not going to be met. So we am released from Genesis. Maruna is heartbroken. Owetu is over the moon looking at wedding dresses and can't wait to be Mrs. Tabeta. Now Bonko is asking her, Wuti, can you please drop the charges so we can just let go of this drama and move on with our future. Owetu did not like the side of that, thinking that Bonko keeps on speaking for Maruna, Yamela, at Haunketa wena nje I chose you. And then Bonko goes to see Maruna, telling her that he got Owetu to drop the charges, and that he's been speaking to a record label that wants to sign her. So Bonko is selfish. Maruna and then gets her a record label so that she doesn't go to Revelations. But Maruna is like, I don't even care about all that. This is not about the career. Maruna, she just wanted Bonko. This is not about her career. She says that she's not even going to thank him for getting Owetu to drop charges because being outside, not being in jail means nothing. Her life doesn't make sense if she does not get to spend it with Bonko. Bonko then said his goodbye and left. Maruna went home, shame, crying. And is surprised with how, what's going on, Maruna, you? Bonko fired me from Genesis. You should have seen Wendy's face. I'm so sorry, I gave her a warm hug. And shame, it was just so sad because Maruna has worked so hard to be on Genesis and she's making them a lot of money. But somehow, agabonwa. And then Maruna decides to go Kwahlope to warn Owetu. Everyone was shocked with how I dropped the charges, Musugwena. Maruna, what are you doing here? For this Slope was like, hey, I go to Fana, man, just leave. And no, I'm just here to warn Owetu. Owetu is in shock because when warn me for what? Yeah, you will never be, like, don't celebrate too early. You celebrate in Tomazan. Just know that you will never be Mrs. Bonko Tabeta. You'll never marry Bonko wena. Owetu is surprised because why is she speaking with so much confidence? What's happening? Is Maruna pregnant? Like, she's going to drop the bomb on us and be like, oopsie, I'm pregnant, and now Bonko will be conflicted. And then Thandi is not happy because Bonko fired Maruna, saying, what kind of business decision is this? Firing Maruna while she's the cash cow at Genesis. She's the one that's making us money. Countries want to see her perform. She's fully booked. What were you thinking? Why are you letting your personal affairs get involved? Atu Bonko Owetu Maruna does not want. It's not about the contract. She wants me to stay. Now Thandi realizes, this is more than what she thought. And then Unomotle keeps on fighting my fans. Afuni Ishmael, this girl came for a selfie. The same girl that was going on hitting on Ishmael the other day, wanting to smash no Ishmael. Now girl is getting ghetto, wanting to fight. Ishmael has nearly tibang. It is just so. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.